Thinking about upgrading your home entertainment setup? Let's talk about the VALERION Vision Master Pro 2. This projector boasts a 4K resolution powered by Texas Instruments DLP technology, ensuring sharp and detailed images with a brightness of 3000 ISO lumens and color gamut covering over 107%. Off-Rec 2020. Off-Rec 2020. Your movies and games will look vibrant and lifelike. Gamers will appreciate the ultra-low input lag of just 4 ms at 1080p/240 GHz, making for a responsive gaming experience. Plus, with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and IMAX enhanced content, your viewing experience is truly cinematic. Running on Google TV, it offers seamless access to your favorite streaming services and easy casting options. And with its built-in DTS Virtual X sound system, you might even need external speakers. All these features come together in a sleek package priced at $2,999, considering its performance and features. The VALERION Vision Master Pro 2 is needed worth the hype. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.